Welcome to EEC YouTube channel with me, ARPAN. So today we will talk about Scrabble website in pandemic COVID-19. Do you want to know? Check it out. First of all, you have to prepare your device and open your browser and type ISCRO on your browser like this. Because I have already account, see, I can log in easily. But for newbie, you have to sign up, maybe with Facebook or with Google. For example, with Facebook, it will show like this. You have to use your Facebook account to log in ISCRO website. And then the second way is sign up. You have to choose your ISC name first, and then you make a password, an email address, and you have to choose the language, and you can create an account. And next, log in ISCRO. After you have already created your account, so your duty is to log in to your ISC account. After this, you have already logged into your account. So we move to menu in ISCRO. First of all, there is a forum ISC. For this forum, you can talk with your friends when you playing your Scrabble. And then there is friends menu, so you can choose your friends here, your buddies. And then for game setting you can choose what settings that you want. But in this, I use game settings like this. For initial time, I put 25 minutes, and English dictionary I choose CSW, Collins word. And for the challenge, I put 5 points, and the language is English. I will try to match my friends Gus RK, so I will show you how to match my friends. First, click match and type your friends. For example, Gusti RK. This is the game settings. Initial time is 25 minutes and instrument is 0. And English dictionary we use Collins, and for the challenge 5 points. Match. We wait my friend to accept my challenge, my match, sorry. Okay, wait. If you see your friends in this menu, so it means it is online. Nah, Gusti RK makes you a match request. Dictionary says wait time 25 and red no escape on. We have to accept or decline it. We accept. Okay, my friend starts first. Okay, wait. It will start that play. Fail. We have to check, is there fail in our dictionary? We try challenge. Oh, I'm wrong. That's my plan. Click done. If you want to change, you can choose all the words, all the letters to change. Select all, like that. And if you want to pass, and this is the menu if you want to challenge. And for action, For if you want to resign, you can click resign, and this is the styles in Scrabble. You can chat with your friends with this tools like this. I want to chat my friends. Hey. Okay, maybe that's all. The sample play Scrabble. I will resign. And if you want to log out, click this tool, disconnection. Do you wish to disconnect from your server? Yes. That's all from me. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you guys.